Hello, everyone. My name is Allen Cho. I'm a Jetta Cube from Korea. We are one of the solution provider and SP in Korea, and we operated 4 data center in the South Korea side, each location, 4 city. And at the same time, we are providing ceiling solution and hardware solutions and the software solution also. So during the 3 years, we are proceeding the Picoin project, and sometime encountered many difficulties, same as another countries' SPs. So we wondering and thinking about how can optimize and how can make easy to approach the each SP much easily. And the most important thing is investment needed to cut down per the make benefit much more. So we are considering about that point and researching and the development continuously. So finally, today I wish to showing our solution. Okay, sorry. Maybe reconfiguration. Yeah, not working. Not working. Then okay, I can do that. So today I wish to introduce our new solution. Name is the Jetta NANODC. Yep. NANODC is a fit to the alternative data center solutions. So it means we can just installation one rack, then it can work same as the one data center. That's our concept. So our slogan is just one leg is enough. So I wish to explain about the presentation about that now. Our company Jetta Cube is established in 2022 in South Korea, but our original company is a manufacturing company. Name is Cobalt Ray. We are manufacturing the lot of product based on the Android system and the Linux system, server systems and the tablet PC and the smartphone side, manufacturing in China and provide to the Asian world before. But when I met with the Picoin network and the business on 2020, at that time we have some focus on the new spin-off new company. Name is Jetta Cube and operated during the 2 years. So we hosted last year we hosted Picoin Network Day to Seoul, and quite successfully operated hosting and operated that event. And we are visit in the Las Vegas, SPA and the DISPA and several places for the technical issues and the training issue and communicate with the protocol labs and the Picoin foundations. And we operated 4 data center like this. We established our own data center building, electricity and the network and the infrastructure, everything doing by ourselves. I wish to introduce myself. My name is Allen Cho. Korean name is Jonghyun Cho, Jo Jonghyun, and Chinese name is Chao Jung-shin. So I'm a 30 years over working for the Korean and the overseas IT field, hardware development and software development. Only one way for the development, a lot of some solution and the product and the systems. So before time, in 1998, I'm a Linux Association Korea chairman before 3 years. So recently, I just met about the Linux at that time and open source some federation and the project is familiar for me. So I can easy to enter to the Picoin business and the network and several kind of some solution development. So why we build this kind of system is Picoin network and some system and every update status is quite emerging and changing into the new era. It means just during the 2 years over, we are just proceeding the CC sector ceiling and the reward receiving, taking, and the same as just to focus on the mining issue. So many miners, SP just focus on their equipment expanded and how can enhance their CC sector ceiling performance. But whole of the world is entered to the crypto winter. Then Filecoin price structure is breakdown and the coin price is going down. Then everything is become difficult. So everybody just thinking about the additional benefit from the expected remain forecasted services like the storing real data and the retrieval some data and computing power sharing. But that is not so easy and not so simple. But the protocol labs and the foundation and the third-party collaboration peoples finally make one by one in this time. But the problem is very difficult. If we doing the onboarding and that kind of job just by ourselves means just sit in some location and log in some their document and studying. And the proceeding is impossible. So we must collaborate with each SPs, at least 5 SP collaborate, and at the same time, onboarding only can proceeding the data storing and make some 10x rewarding by the peer plus. But the peer plus is also in this time quickly changing into the new eras. So many difficulty is still remain. Collateral is a very big issue also. Yes, so preach make some huge challenge for the each SPs. So we have build like this kind of product. So this is one leg. But attach the touch screen panels for the control everything, almost of management and the monitoring by the touch screen. And the right side is we optimize each server, PC1, PC2, C2, compress into the some box. And we just designed our own design 40 GB fiber optic network switching. So it makes clear the bottleneck about the sector transfer and store the data into some huge storage. And this one is a UPS system. So UPS is embedded just one leg. And the most important thing is we collaborate with the Seagate core. This is a 2.2 pip per unit and automatically recovering. So and the left side is batteries. So we have 40 batteries, then 20 kilowatt is enough for the operated this one leg. So this one leg is become a data center is possible. So our idea is we built in the just transfer, sending somewhere. Somewhere means even Indonesia and India and somewhere, just sending this rack and connecting with the 20 kilowatt solar panel. So Korean government can support 20 kilowatt is 100% support from the government side. So we call this one is a NANODC. Nano is big enough. It's our slogans. So NANODC is an optimized data center. We call that. So before time, people talk about the micro data center, but this is a much more smaller and much more optimized solution. Its name is Nano. One leg is enough for the Picoin data center anywhere. It means just one leg store the 6 pip, 6 petabyte. So when we onboarding, then 50 pip over QAP is possible. So if we don't need to discard the ceiling server side, then 10 pip is very easy. Then per rack is 10 pip. And the worker and the ceiling server supporting to this rack, then that's all. So very easy to establish the one data center. So many people have a difficulty about the data center is they need to hire the engineers and the electricity facility and plant. So this is plant business, become a plant business. But I think if we make the one package, then it's much easier to approach to the people and the cost effective. Of course, cost effective and the electricity saving, everything is good for the cooling, everything is good for the USP. So our solution is not a product, not only the product, it is packaging services. So we're providing super optimized Picoin ceiling machine, cost and time saving. Delivery is very quick. And the efficient power supply system, UPS. We collaborate with the Taiwan UPS company and the smart control UPS system. And it is also space saving and the power saving is very good for the Picoin data centers. And combined with the solar panels. So if we combine, later I can explain about that. If we combine with the solar panel, then SP can take the Picoin Green gold level. If we take the gold level Picoin Green system, then we can earn the much more reward and the reputation and many things much easier. And we have packaging that kind of some tablet PC control system. So people easy to monitor how many rewards is already received that and the ceiling status and deal status, temperatures and node status. Everything is just touch for the monitoring and the control there. So reset and the rebooting and even mempool clear is possible for just one triggers. And 10-day Picoin technical training, we're preparing that. So it means if we some SP purchase this system, then we just provide at the same time training system together, training program. For the operating this system is enough by themselves. And the onboarding data set and the data cap supply. So we are continuously make the data set, gather the data set, and apply the notary application. So and provide to the each location SP combined with the 3 location and oversee 5 locations. So we can provide that. So it is same. Regional location 10 SP is possible. And the onboarding process supporting from the remote controls and guiding, providing collateral lending program. So this is one of our future services. So we will cooperate with some solution company and provide the collateral and that kind of some preach service together. So we not only product, this is a full service package for the new SP. Okay, so we are focused on the all-in-one. All-in-one is one pack per the SP. So this is an easy monitoring and management system. So just a long size touch panel, then people just managing people, engineer just touch the tablet PC, then we can check the node status and many information and the control also. Okay, and I already explained about the embedded UPS system. So we put the 12-volt batteries left side. Then we can control by the UPS, smart UPS system. That UPS system is combined with our monitoring system also. So people easy to check the power supply status and control that. So we can easy to make compatible with the solar panel. So then anywhere is okay. So anywhere. So in Korea it's a 20 kilowatt. Reason why 20 kilowatt? frankly speaking, 19.9 kilowatt. It means 19. I'm not familiar about the new numbers. 19.9. Reason why is 20. Then government needed to hire the one manager, electricity control managers. But below 20, 19.9, then they don't need any manager. So our target is, frankly speaking, 19.9 kilowatt. And this is important issue. Have you ever heard about the Picoin Green certificate system? So if you qualify the Picoin Green certificate, then you can take the more reward and the reputation and many things. So many advantages will come in. It is already proceeding there. We are already complied. But unfortunately, without solar panel, then silver is the most toughest scores. We are silver in Korea. But if we attach the solar panel to our system, then become a gold. Then Filecoin Green also, they have a plan for the landing program, a pre-landing program. So if take the certificate, then they just give some Filecoin landing, something like that. But I don't know exactly about their plan. And we are strongly cooperate with the Seagate. Seagate in this time, Filecoin networks hard drive supply 60% over in this time. Toshiba and Western Digital is another part, but Seagate is the most biggest supplier. So they build a very suitable solution for the Filecoin system. So name is Cobol. Cobol is insert 106 unit. A hard drive slot is inside. And that is, so we calculate 20 terabyte, then 2.2 pip is possible, just to run it. But the problem, not a problem, this is a good thing and very useful technology is adopt. The Seagate adopt solution is, this one is automatically recovered every disk. It means when we operated our RAID system, RAID 6 and RAID 5. In Korea, RAID 6 is normal for me. But somewhere is RAID 0 and they don't need to consume some parity disk size. It means 2 petabyte. But if we doing RAID 6, make the RAID 6, then it can say consume the almost 15% hard drive for the parity drive. But this one is also same based on the RAID 6. But unfortunately, RAID 6 make the trouble at the same time 3 unit in the one system. Then it makes a terrible situation. Everything is gone. So now in this time is data onboarding errors. So if we make the very big trouble by this kind of hard drive gone, then it makes a huge penalty. Just 2 months ago, Picoin Foundation and the Protocol Labs announced about the new slashing system. 5 times bigger penalty they planned there. Such a terrible, right? So this one is, we don't need to take about the hard drive, just remain there. Then something is occur, problem is occur, automatically immediately recover by themselves. So this one is not installed Linux or something like that, their own OS and programmable some system. So this is very good for our solution. So we are cooperate with that very strongly. Okay, and we have very strong cooling systems and optimized sealing system also. So this is a public one, but our most biggest concern is this part. So Golden Gate upgrade is coming. So DSA, Decentralized Storage Alliance, they build a very new sealing services, sealing software. So their testing result is 7 times faster than normal routers. So if we adjust this system to our solution, already our solution is, we check our solution is almost 3 times is faster. But if we combine with the Golden Gate update, then it's much more strongly. So in December, maybe they are announced integrate with the Lotus. So we are continuously testing and the integrations. And another solution is the Jetta Cube. Jetta Cube is very special product. This one is just bring the one NAS box to their mining ceiling some areas, connect the 10 GB. So maybe we only have this kind of solution. So this is NAS services, but connect directly to the Picoin networks. So people just drop down some folders, their archive, then continuously onboarding to our miner side. Then this is easy to gather, grabbing and harvest the data set by this machine and connect with each other. So that is one of our solutions. And we will deploy this solution here and there in the overseas and the Korea side. And we build some Picoin Plus network between each racks. Okay, and at the same time, we plan the technical training under the name is Casper. So Casper is from the picnic side, from the USA. This is our data center. So we provide the venue and everything together. And this is a very good case study. So I wish to show to you. This is a real story. Onset Media is a TV studio. They generate every day 4 GB, 4 terabyte per cameras. But they have a low power, but they cannot store anywhere. It is too big, too huge that every day they discard that media power. But now in this time, they can insert, add on the new data center into their TV studio. Then they automatically transfer their data to this data center. So this is similar like the shop-in-shop or some business. Then we add on the new business by our solutions. So business side. So this is our target ideas. So anyway. I really wish to collaborate with many SPs in the Korea and the overseas, and I wish to provide our solution and our technology and know-how, everything with together to freely open to every SP side. And I really wish to collaborate new SP and the new wave from this kind of movement. Thank you so much.